What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reese, and as you can tell by the title, today we're gonna be talking about my braids. So I just want to give you guys a disclaimer off top. This is not a tutorial. I repeat, this is not a tutorial, but I will have a link down below to some of my videos that I've done in the past showing you guys how to part for box braids as well as how to install them. This video today is just going to be like a show and tell because I did these braids like a week ago and I'm just like in love. Not to mention I am Jamaican, so you know. I was inspired to do these braids by a girl who is actually on YouTube, and I will link the video down below that I'm talking about, so definitely be sure to check that out. Her video was actually on like how to dye a wig, but I'm not really a hair dyer. I'm much more of a braider, so I figured, you know, why not do the same thing but with some braids. So instead of a wig and instead of hair dye, I just braided it in. So enough rambling. For the details of this style, I used 5 packs of just the color black, which is 1. For those of you who are not familiar with braiding hair, black is the number 1. So I used 5 packs of the color 1, and I'll also definitely link down below the hair that I use so that you guys can see. If you're interested, you know, go cop that. So yeah, I used the color 1 for the black part, and you guys, I just can't. It's super long. Like, it goes down definitely to my butt. And then as you see, I have this yellow color, which I do not know the brand name, but I will definitely search it up and hopefully I can find it. But it was just like kind of an off-brand braiding hair that they had at my local beauty supply. And so I got 1 pack of that, and then I got 1 pack of this green color as well. And this green color was also actually by Rasta Free. So the black and the green were both by Rasta Free, and this yellow was like some braiding hair that's not super popular. In total, I have 39 braids, and it looks, in my opinion, it looks good enough. Like, am I blurry? So yeah, I have 39 braids in total, and I'm just so obsessed with them. What was I saying? Oh yes, I think 39 braids is like, well, I don't say 39 in general or like specifically, but I know some people have like a ton of braids and they use a ton of packs, but that is just, my little neck can't take it. Like, it be so heavy and I be struggling. So anyway, save the comments about, oh, those look thin, oh, those are little, whatever, your parts are too big. Like, girl, let me wear my hair how I want to wear it. Anyway, I have 39 braids, and this is how it looks in the back. And so like I said, I did 1 pack of the yellow, 1 pack of the green, so 7 packs total. And I split each pack into 6 braids, but I would say I used 6.5 packs total, because technically I had 6 yellow braids and 6 green braids. But when I looked in the mirror in the back, where's the last yellow braid? Like right here. When I looked in the back at first, I had 2 other yellow braids like right here. And when the braids fell, you could just see yellow right here, and it looks so ugly. So I took 2 of the yellow braids out and 1 of the green braids out, and I replaced it with black so that it kind of looks more so like a peekaboo. So you can see now, like, you see how it looked, like you can see the green and yellow underneath the black, but it's not just right in your face. Like before, the yellow literally was looking like this in the back, and I'm like, girl, no, I gotta take that out. So yeah, these are my Jamaican flag inspired by another YouTuber box braids. I'm super duper in love. I took a picture on my Instagram, so if you guys want to see, you know, go give me a like. Go give me a like. So these are my braids, and this install took, I think the parting took like an hour, give or take, but low-key I was struggling at the beginning because I was just struggling. So the parting took like an hour, and then the braids took like 5 hours, so it was about 6 hours in total. You know what I'm saying? I just sat on my bed and watched a Netflix series. It was like the house, the Haunting on Hill House or something like that. But girl, I just watched 5 episodes. By the time the episodes was over, I was done with my hair. So you know, it didn't even seem like it took that long. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want to see how to part or how to actually braid, I will link those videos down below. Be sure to go check them out. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.